Then we moved to table 8. Well, I don't know. We got to slide to the back just in case you come real late. That's how I got wave right there, right? Yeah. All right. Any of the first timers? What's up, Polk County? Polk County, yeah, never the first time. Polk County, what's our connection, all right?
I'm on YouTube Live.
Anybody from Polk County besides?
Hey, check out Devil's Alive. Go on my page, check it out. I know y'all know Khadijah, but Khadijah, she only make earrings. Check that. I do comedy, I make everything else. You go on home, you check mine out, and you can buy from her once you come to me. I'm telling you now, it's always good.
The Garden of Eden.
Don't let the dress
is
fool
actually in Polk County.
Motherfucker ain't down there.
But when no, you put it's a lot of fossils and stuff down there. For me, it's actually fossils. They've been digging fossil mines forever. But it's the Garden of Eden. It's a lot of bones and artifacts and stuff. But when the country separated, what was they called? Pangea? What was they called? Yeah. So when they separated, that's borders. This needs to be above land, But that's what the Garden of Eden is. So in reality, all of us are from Polk County. All of us are from Polk County. So whenever I ask you that question again, you say New York, where is New York? That's North Polk County. When you go to Miami, that's what? That's South Polk County. If you go overseas, Polk County. I show them out. I see the doctor drop out. This was some. I used to be my girlfriend like 4 years old, and she changed what she got married, what she said. She's 20 years old than me, but she always loved me.
If you gonna go out with this, was some pants, and his mama made it into a skirt 19 years ago.
Oh, yeah. Now, you ain't gonna play it too often in the church. After church, you did. Pastor be playing. So y'all welcome to the stage. How you doing today?
I ain't seen you in so long. I know. You moved away?
I did. I just moved back here. This is year 2.
I got so many pictures of us and you and from Mount Zion.
We used to do in the trench.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some more made. The back, I can't really show the back. Look behind you.
I am the weed that comes to the
Everybody saying about I'm like, yeah,
I'm
it's
strong, relentless,
to my YouTube people.
showing on the roles that the roles that Tupac spoke of, fighting, rising from the crack, each time the role was lifted his head, I felt a surge in need to spread. The coverage of light was snuffed as spark. For in its beauty, I felt my heart. I am the change that sought to find, the shadows cast upon mankind. The echoes of the time so true, where hope was scarce, where the dark did rule. But the rose, pushed with all its might, against my grip into the light. With every petal a story told, of strength, of love, of courage bold. Its roots, they reached where mine could not. Its soils and plains and hope's own flight. Yet I, the weed, would tighten more, fearing the change I was ensured. For every inch the rose would climb, I wrap around, I hide my time. Draw life from the very core.
The Golden State Bridge collapsed,
no more. Yet in the battle, I felt its strength. It forced so pure, it spanned great lengths. And I thought I choked it, I felt it change, a stirring in my roots, it felt so strange. The rose, it sang a freedom song, of rights reclaimed, of right and wrongs. Its petals spoke of days to come, where peace and love would be in the sun. Where every struggle it grew more height, its colors vibrant, a beacon of light. And I, the weed, began to see a glimpse of what could truly be. For in its rise, I saw my fall, a world where love could conquer all. Where even weeds with past so dark could find redemption from a spark. The rose, it whispered to my soul of unity, of becoming whole. And through my nature was divine that felt a shift within my mind.